it's awful big. It took them about 4 days to make this. Said it was going to be 2 weeks.
ยังบอกฝรั่งคนรอแห้ง
ยังหวานด้วยเป็นรอยเลยไม่เล่นเนี่ยอย่าเล่นนะบอกให้ตามมากินนะครับวันนี้ทำอะไรนะหรือทำอะไร
That's what it looks like on the outside. Few paint touch-ups. This is done. This gate's 2 meters high, 6.2 meters long, and cost 15,000 baht. That's somewhere around $550, I guess. So it's not bad. The stainless steel one this size was 55,000. So I like this little bar on the bottom here, designed to keep baby chickens out. And little dogs. Nice gold handles, huh? Sorry. Sí. Well, here's my contribution to the gate. I built this retaining wall yesterday just to keep the track dry, or clean anyway. So when it rains, all this dirt don't end up up against the wall and I can't open the gate. One thing I forgot was how hard it is to mix concrete by hand. There's the track, just a piece of angle iron with a little bit of round bar welded on it, on the edge of it, that the wheels run on. Pretty simple design. It's almost straight too. Almost.
Tom